Hello everybody. So we are along the I know as Lover's Lane. 17 years ago, September 26, 2007, we went to a restaurant close to here. And then after the restaurant was, after meeting her family for the first night, the first time I ever met my wife and I sat on one of these little benches here with two little translators. She had a translator and I had a translator, and that's how we had our conversation. Like the first day I came here, I had a little translator. We had two translators, and that's how we started out after our first day. And you know, I taught my wife English, which isn't very good. Anyway, but if you can see out across here, that's Macau. That's the Hong Kong Macau bridge port. There's the Hong Kong bridge, Macau bridge. Hong Kong Macau bridge there. And I remember this little pagoda being here 17 years ago. This was here. It was here. I remember this. And I remember sitting along these benches here with my sweetheart for the first time ever. But look at it now, with the building lights there and all around here. It's hard to tell, but Macau's over there, and this is Zhuhai over here. Macau's over here on the left, and then to the right here is Zhuhai. Now, okay, so yeah, if you look around here, we take a little tour around. Like this is all of Zhuhai and the beautiful lights, and then once we go over there, that's the Hong Kong Macau Zhuhai bridge. And that's the port over there. That's where you come across the bridge. That over there is Macau. And then if you keep coming around behind us, there's not a whole lot of lights behind us here right now. But on the right-hand side over here, this is Zhuhai. There's a border crossing back over there, but these beautiful lights back here, this is all in Zhuhai behind us here. That's all Zhuhai. So 17 years ago, I had a little translator about the size of my telephone here. And I bought her a translator the same day, and we sat along here after supper that night here, and we enjoyed each other's company, and we did our little translator thing, and that was in September. And then in February, on Valentine's Day in 2008, I came back to Zhuhai, and I asked my sweetheart to marry me on Valentine's Day. And then on November later on that year, that's when we got married. So this is the whole beginning, baby. This was the beginning of everything right here.
And 这是我们第一次相见的地方。对面是澳门，那边是港珠澳大桥，我们就在这里，就在这个椅子上，我们相见的地方。我们吃完饭以后，跟我们的家人在一起。吃完饭以后，我们两个就在这里。因为我不会英文 ，I'm not English one word, so that's why my sweetheart have a translator. I have a translator. He have a translator. 巴拉巴拉他，其他的我都不会哈。Just say hello, bye bye, I love you.
Back then, all it was hello, ha ha ha, bye bye, ha ha.
所以我们就用那个翻译器，交流，我们用翻译器交流，就这样。这就是我们第一次相见的地方，所以我老公今天一定要来到这里，因为明天我们要去广州。Tomorrow we go 广州，so my sweetheart really want to come here today. So 我带他去那个城市邮局。No, he said here he is. 这个地方才是我们第一次相见的地方，我都忘了。
And my sweetheart didn't remember.
Sorry, baby.
My sweetheart didn't remember this spot. I remembered here. I remembered this little pagoda behind. But hey, well, let's try flying my drone, and hopefully it's not restricted.
我老公想用他的无人机拍一下这里的景色，好吧？待会儿我们再见，拜拜。
Okay, bye bye for now. Yeah, thanks for watching, and this brings back memories for me of the first night I ever met my wife. And I just wish my wife could have remembered this night. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like as always, thank you for your support. Like, comment, subscribe, and Zaijian. We'll talk to you later.
Yes, I forgot, but I love you in here. I love you here. Love you here.
She says Chinese people no need to say I love you. It's in the heart.
Yes.
Canada, me, I always say I love you.
是啊，中国人从来不用 嘴上不要老挂着 I love you I love you 我爱你我爱你，只是心里面 love you 就 OK， 是不是嘛？本来也是这样嘛，他不相信。
Okay, let's see if I
老
hope.
外就是随时随地都会告诉你 I love you，
Okay.
我们中国人不是这样的。
I hope we can get the little bugger up in the air here. So let's give this a try.
I love you in my heart, you know.
Okay, I need some wrist space here. Turn up.
好，现在我老公呢就准备无
My new
人机
DJI Mini 4 Pro.
对，
So
准备他的无人
and
机
we took some pictures the other night, and it was a beautiful video. Like the lights and everything is so nice. So
耶，现在还想拍一下，那边是澳门，看到没有？好，对，我记住了，在当时我们见面的时候，那边就是我们跟家人在一起吃晚饭以后呢，我们俩就散步在这里。那对面是澳门，这边是珠海。对，我想起来了，其实没有忘记，但他还能记住，非常感谢我的老公。哪里啊？哇，对，哇，小螃蟹，
这还小吗？
它这个比较
oh,
大。
I can fly here.
You can fly?
Yes.
哇，可以飞，在这里可以飞它的无人机，可以。刚才我们在城市邮局，爱情邮局那里都不能，
这还是小飞机啊！
都是禁飞。
Takeoff permitted. Why is it red?
这里还是小飞机，这里还是小飞机吗？
Photo, okay, go.
Okay, let's go.
Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.
I got my drone up in the air, my DJI Mini 4 Pro. Awesome machine, very awesome. I highly recommend it. 17 years ago, when I first came to Zhuhai, September 26th, 2007, my wife and I, we met at Gombe Port, and that's where I bought all my Chinese shirts, and you guys have seen that in other videos. So right up on top there's a Macau-Zhuhai border that first day. But that night after supper, we came here on this, and they called it Lover's Lane back then. I think they still do. And like I said, this brings back a lot of memories for me. It's bring back a lot of memory for me. So, and that's where I met the love of my life that night.
这是情侣路，对，我们第一次见面在这里。吃完饭以后，我们就在这里。
The one thing about in China there, they do put on quite a nice light show on some of the buildings.
Evening night.
Yeah, in Guangzhou and Shenzhen and Hong Kong, we're going to see a lot of stuff.
Hello, darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping still remains within the sound of silence. Because a vision softly creeping left. Hello, darkness, still remains. Stone holding down when my eyes were staring touch the sound of silence.
来啦来啦，灯亮了灯亮了。Hello，no close， 哎。Hi， 没开 ，Thank you。
So that was pretty successful. We were allowed to fly my drone here, which was pretty good.
You did.
We did. It was successful. And you'll be able to, as we're talking here right now, my wife will show a little bit of this here and a whole bunch of that there, I hope. Well, not a whole bunch. You know, drones is pretty boring, but anyway, this, like I said, this brings back a lot of memories for me being right here, right now with my sweetheart.
Yeah.
What an end of a perfect day. So thanks for joining us, and once again, Zai Jian, bye for now.
Yeah.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Lifted scenes while I was sleeping, and touched the sound of silence.